Science Class 3. Good morning, children. Today's topic is The World of Birds, Chapter 6. In this lesson, you will learn about body structure of birds, nests of birds, parent birds take care of their babies. Birds are the most unique creatures on earth. They are the only animals that have feathers. All birds have wings and two legs. The wings help them to fly. Now let us learn about the body structure of birds. You can see in the picture how the bird's head, beak, wings and tails are shown. A bird's body consists of the head, trunk, wings, legs and a tail. Now children, what helps a bird to fly? Let us learn. Its body shaped is like a boat. This shape helps it to float in the air easily. Its bones are hollow and filled with air. This makes them light. A bird has strong muscles that move the wings up and down. These are called flight muscles. Its tail helps it to change its direction during flight. Now children, let us learn about feathers. All birds have three kinds of feathers. First is body feathers. Feathers which covered the body of a bird are called body feathers. Second, flight feathers. Feathers which are attached to the wings and tail of a bird are called flight feathers. Third one is down feathers. Feathers which covered the body of the bird like sweater and keep them warm are called down feathers. So see the picture here of feathers of some birds, how a flight feathers look like and how a body feather look like and how a down feathers look like. So learn these three kinds of feathers. Now let us learn about the other part of bird which is called beak. Beak, feet and claws of a bird vary according to its eating habits. Vary means different. Okay. A beak is also called a bill. The first one is strong, sharp and hooked beak. See the picture of this bird, how its beak looked like, strong, sharp and hooked. So birds which eat flesh have strong, sharp and hooked beak. These birds tear the flesh before eating their prey. Such birds are called birds of prey. Example: eagles, hawks, kites, owls, and vultures. The second one is horny, short, and hard beak. See the pigeon here. Pigeon has horny, short, and hard beak. Birds which eat grains, nuts, and seeds have these types of beaks. Example: pigeons, sparrows, peacocks, and doves. Third one is strong, slender, and chisel-shaped beak. Birds that eat insects have long, slender, and chisel-shaped beaks. These beaks help them to poke holes into bark of tree and pull out insects. Example: woodpecker, cattle egret, and hoop. Fourth one is curved beak. Curved beak of a parrot helps it to crack nuts and hard fruits. Fifth one is broad and flat beak. A duck has broad and flat beak with two tiny holes on its sides. It takes in insects and tiny plants along with mud and water. It then throws the mud and water through the holes, keeping the insects and plants in its mouth. Sixth one is long and pointed beak. Some birds like hummingbird, kingfisher, and sunbird have long and pointed beak. They use them to poke flowers and suck nectar. Children, let us learn about feet and claws. Different birds have different types of feet and claws. They use their feet and claws to catch and eat food and also to protect from enemies. Let us see the first one, perching birds. Birds like sparrows, pigeons, and crows have 3 toes in front and 1 toe at the back. This helps them to hold the branches of trees firmly. They can remain seated or sleep throughout the night on a branch. This is called perching. Second is birds of prey. Birds like eagles, hawks, and owls use their feet and claws to catch their prey. They have very strong, sharp claws called talons. They use their claws for tearing the flesh of their prey. Third one is climbing birds. Birds like woodpeckers and parrots have 4 claws, 2 claws in upward and 2 claws in downward direction. This type of claws helps them to cling to and climb up branches of trees. Fourth one is Swimming birds. Birds like ducks and swans have webbed feet. They have three toes in the front and one toe at the back. These four toes are all joined by a skin. This is called webbed feet. This helps them to swim in water. Fifth one is scratching birds. Scratching birds like hens have sharp scratching claws. They scratch the ground for insects and grains. Sixth one is wading birds. Birds like cranes and herons have long legs with spread out toes. These help them to walk through mud and shallow water to catch fish. So children, now let us learn about nests of birds. A bird's home is called a nest. They use these nests to lay eggs. The first kind of nest you can see in the picture is of sparrow or a pigeon. Nest of a sparrow or a pigeon. A sparrow or pigeon makes its nests in houses or branches of trees. It uses dry grass, sticks, leaves, and straw to make its nests. The nest looks like a soup bowl. The second nest is of a tailor bird. You see the picture. So beautiful nest is of this tailor bird. A tailor bird uses its beak as needle and sews two leaves together to make its nest. It uses fibers to sew the leaves. It sews the leaves perfectly like a tailor does. Hence, it is called a tailor bird. Third one you can see in the picture, it's a nest of a weaver bird. A weaver bird makes its nest on the branches of a tree. It weaves its nest with dry grass like a perfect weaver. The nest hangs from the branch of a tree and does fall off. At the bottom there is an opening through which the bird enters into the nest. Fourth one is nest of an eagle or a vulture. An eagle or a vulture makes its nest on the uppermost branch of a tree. You can see here in the picture, it is on the very top of a tree. It uses dry sticks to make its nest. An eagle's nest looks like a bowl. Fifth one is nest of a woodpecker. A woodpecker makes its nest in a tree trunk. It pecks a big hole in the tree trunk with its beak. To make the nest cozy, it puts some pieces of wood inside its nest. Cozy means warm. Sixth one is the nest of a plover bird. A plover bird makes its nest on the ground. You can see in the picture here. It selects a small hole dug on the ground. Then it makes the nest with the straw, hay and sticks and lays its eggs. The shell color of these eggs are like the colors of stones and rocks. Seventh one is the nest of a penguin. A penguin also makes its nest on the ground. It walks miles away from the ocean to make its nest and lay eggs. It uses some pebbles and stones to make its nest on the ground. The penguin holds the eggs on its legs to keep it off the cold ground. Now children, we have learned a lot about birds, like different types of birds, their beaks, their feet and claws, alright, and about their nests. Now we will learn how the parent birds take care of their babies. Birds lay eggs in warm, cozy nests. The mother bird sits on the eggs to give them warmth. After a few days, the small babies develop fully inside the eggs and come out. This is called hatching. Both mother and father birds take care of their chicks and feed them. They protect from cold, heat and rain. Once the babies grow up, can fly or eat on their own, birds leave their nests. Children, I hope you understood the lesson. Let us summarize the lesson now. Birds have different beaks. Birds have different feet and claws. Birds lays eggs and hatch them in different and interesting nests. Now it's time for some exercise. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. What do you mean by hatching? The answer is the mother bird sits on the eggs to give them warmth. After a few days, the small babies develop fully inside the eggs and come out. This is called hatching. Question number 2. Name two flightless birds. Answer is ostrich and penguin are flightless birds. Question number 3. Name three types of feathers of birds. The answer is three types of feathers of birds are: number 1 is body feather, number 2 is flight feathers, and number 3 is down feather. Question number 4. Which feathers help a bird to fly? The answer is flight feathers help a bird to fly. Question number 5. Where does a sparrow or a pigeon make its nest? The answer is a sparrow or a pigeon make its nest in houses or branches of trees. Children, do all these questions in your notebook and then show me. Children, you have to do this homework also. Question number 1. Name some materials which are used by birds for making their nest? In the answer, you have to write the things which are used by birds for making their nest. Question number 2. Name the important body parts of a bird. So you have to write the main parts of the body. Okay. Question number 3. Name a bird with a curved beak. Find out, read the book and write the answer from there. Question number 4. Name some perching birds. Find out what are the perching birds. Write down their names. Question number 5. Do all birds have the same type of beaks, feet and claws? Yes or no? So, whatever answer is correct, write yes or no. Part 2. The bones of all birds are heavy. Yes or no? So you have to read the lesson carefully, find out the answer and then write yes or no. Okay? Just do this homework and show me and send me in the WhatsApp. Thank you.